What's up, guys? Welcome to another Deadbeat vlog video. Today we are going to continue on with our weight reduction process. We're going to be removing the lower portion of the B-pillar trim piece along with the lower part of the C-pillar trim piece. We're also going to remove this plastic right here. We'll probably more than likely go ahead and remove the seat belts as well. Remove this insulation. I almost wanted to remove the carpet, but I sometimes have the puppies in here, and so let's get to it. Alright, so I forgot to mention, you gotta remove these. There you go. They'll just pop right off. You just kind of pull on them, you know, gently. Just gently pull and pry on it and it'll come right out. I'll just put the tabs back in. I kind of want this to protect whatever's back here from, you know, when I put the pups back here. And that's how it looks like, guys. Looking pretty gutted back here. Like I said, I'm gonna leave that center trim piece there just to protect whatever cables are back there. And I'm gonna leave this carpet here just for the pups, you know, that way they have somewhere to lay, that way they're not laying down on something very hot and metal and all that. I'm gonna leave both driver and passenger side because, yeah. Now it's time to remove. Hopefully I don't. I'm not trying to break these really, but I'm not sure. There you go. Maybe I did burp them, I'm not sure. And I guess we'll go the JDM route. We'll use some zip ties and secure this. Alright, so yeah. Alright guys, and so we have all of that plastic trim removed. The rear is looking hella gutted. Looks like all we have left to do today is remove this. So I think now's a good time to go ahead and install this top brace here. It's gonna go right there where the seatbelts go. From this point all the way to this point. Doesn't hurt to have an extra brace up top since well, we are driving a brick, so it's pretty top heavy, so this should stiffen things up on the top heavy side of things. Alright, we got this upper brace on. Now we're rocking two. Nice, very nice. And it's functional. Here's what the XB looks like. Pretty much gutted. We took off the insulation for the headliner. We took off the B, C, lower plastic trim pillar pieces. This is what it looks like. And we finally put the upper brace back on, and it's actually functional instead of being like a clothes hanger. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And this is just part of the weight reduction process here, so every bit counts, right? There will be a link up here on the top right if you want to know how to remove your A, B, and C upper trim pillar pieces. And I'll also post a link on how to remove your door panels. Please do me a favor, guys, if you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next video.